Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to add or use a payment card on DoorDash and keep seeing the message "Can't verify card," it can stop your order completely and leave you wondering what went wrong. This error usually shows up when the app is unable to confirm your card details with the bank, and it can happen for several reasons like incorrect information, temporary bank restrictions, app glitches, or even small mismatches in billing details. The confusing part is that your card might work perfectly fine elsewhere, which makes this issue feel unexpected. Instead of trying random fixes, it's better to go through a clear process to identify and resolve the problem step by step. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact actions you need to take to fix this error and successfully add or use your card on DoorDash. Try these. Step 1. Re-enter your card details carefully and make sure all numbers and expiry dates are correct. Step 2. Check that your billing address matches exactly with your bank records. Step 3. Ensure you have a stable internet connection while adding the card. Step 4. Remove the card from the app and add it again fresh. Step 5. Update the DoorDash app to the latest version to avoid verification issues. Step 6. Contact your bank to confirm there are no restrictions on online transactions.